Good morning, my algebros. Like I promised, I want to go over just reminding you how to get from one form to another. So on that first, when you're doing the matching project, if you're given a equation in y equals mx plus b, how do you get it to this standard form? Well, if I'm given just this example, it's not one of your things, but if I'm given this, I know I have to get, so it's a and y, ax and by on the same side. So I have to move the ax over here. But the reason why these are capital letters on the side of ax and by is because they cannot be fractions, right? So I'm going to get rid of the fraction. I simply multiply by the denominator of the fraction, multiply everything. So if I have 2 times 1/2, I just get 1. So this happens to be -1. So I have negative x plus 2y equals 4, right? Once I'm in standard form, why do we use standard form? We use standard form to get to our x and y intercepts, right? And this is the next part. So if I have my x and y intercepts, I make a t-table. To solve for my x-intercept, the value of y has to be 0. So I would end up with negative x equals 4, and I would solve getting -4. This was the very first lesson back on 4.2. So if you're struggling with this concept, go back and watch the video 4-2. On y-intercepts, if I need to solve for y, I divide by 2, right? All the way back to those concepts in chapter 1 that we isolate the variable to solve, right? So then we have our x and y intercepts. Our x-intercept is -4, 0, and y-intercept of 0 and 2. So what do we do next? Well, on this, we have the slope, and we have to find the slope that matches. Well, we had y equals mx plus b, which we know the slope. This one happens to be 1/2, so we can find the slope and match it. When we look at the ordered pairs, we're looking for the ordered pairs that have that same slope. And the only way to do ordered pairs is to use your y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we substitute in our x values and our y values, and we find all of the slopes this way, and then we can match them to the correct paired. All right, and then obviously by the graph, we use y equals mx plus b, where I start with 2, and then my slope on here is 1/2, and I find this graph that matches on my equation. So if I have a fake set of problems, like I can also see the x and y intercepts were on here, right? If I have a fake set of 3 on here, like you guys have 6, this is a fake set of 3. And if I have all this information, I could see I'm going to find a match from my standard form to my slope-intercept form to my ordered pairs to my slope to the graph and my x and y intercepts, right? We are doing it with 6 pairs. And there's more to come on that if you need help. Alrighty? Have a great day. Bye.